So tonight it's really hot. I mean, for around here, it's super hot. I think it got to as much as 107. So I'm going to show how we cool the chickens down at night with a sort of a swamp cooler and keep things comfortable for them so that they're not sleeping in the extreme heat. Coming up. So here is my chicken house swamp cooler. What I have is a very long extension cord that goes to my power source in the shed there. So if you don't have that, I don't think you could do this, but I'm lucky enough to have a really long extension cord and a power source. It's about, gosh, almost 9 o'clock in Ashland, Oregon, mid-August. So yeah, it's still light outside, woohoo. And it's freaking hot. So to make my girls more comfortable, I set up this thing that I do every summer when it gets intense. This is a square fan with 2 water bottles, plastic water bottles that I have frozen. You got to put it in your freezer. Like over the course of a day so that it's nice and cold. And that frozen cold water is going to act as an AC unit that's going to hit these girls right up here on their bottoms. I do have a wooden frame to set the fan on, which helps a lot. So you don't want to set it directly on the straw. And you've got to set the water on either corner so that the fan doesn't hit it. It's just a better way to make it work. I've also opened up the nesting boxes, but I think the better course of valor, I'm going to close those in case critters try and get in. During the day I had this screen off on the window to allow for more airflow, but you know, gosh, I'm going to keep that up and hope that the girls are okay. They seem all right, and as the night carries on, it will be easier for them. It'll get cooler. Stop that, really? In the meantime, this is going to help cool things down a bit. And I am going to turn up the agitation on the fan. That'll kick things up a notch and hopefully cool the girls down. So we'll see how it goes, and I will report back later. Summer sucks sometimes on the farm. Right, girls? Yeah, they agree. Hi, Plucky. All right, good night, everybody. I went to check on the chickens to make sure that they were enjoying the air conditioning, and some of them weren't in the direct line of it. So I moved them around, and they never liked that. There was a lot of clucking and fussing, and I think I got pooped on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got pooped on. Good times. Farming is so glamorous. Anyway, both my daughter and my husband and I are really looking forward to the fall because it means we all get more sleep and it's not so bloody hot. Anyway, that's how things are going here. And mid to late August, looking forward to the fall. Night.